In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Speechify to Chrome. Speechify is a text-to-speech Chrome extension that can read web pages, PDFs, Google Docs, and more aloud. It's great for learning on the go, accessibility, or just giving your eyes a break. Let's get it set up in a few simple actions. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. These steps are designed for Chrome, so make sure you're not in a different browser. It also helps to be on the latest version for a smooth install. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store, which is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions. You can reach it by searching for Chrome Web Store or entering it directly in the address bar. Once the store loads, look for the search bar at the top. Type Speechify into that search box and press Enter. In the results, you should see Speechify Text-to-Speech Voice Reader. Click that result to open the extensions page. Here you can skim the overview, screenshots, and reviews to confirm it's the tool you want. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install Speechify automatically, and you'll see a brief confirmation that it's been added. To keep Speechify handy, pin it to your Chrome toolbar. Click the extensions icon, the little puzzle piece, near the top right corner of Chrome. In the list that appears, find Speechify and click the pin icon next to it. You'll now see the Speechify button fixed in your toolbar, so it's always just one click away. When you're on any web page, click the Speechify icon to open its small control panel. You can start or pause reading, change the reading speed, and pick a different voice. If you've highlighted text, Speechify can focus on just that section, which is handy for studying or reviewing. From here, you're ready to listen instead of read. Speechify includes natural-sounding AI voices, adjustable speed controls so you can listen faster or slower, and support for reading PDFs and Google Docs right in your browser. It also offers multiple languages and accents, which is helpful for multilingual content or language learning. If you don't immediately see the puzzle piece or the Speechify icon after installation, try resizing your window or updating Chrome. On school or work devices, you might need administrator approval to install extensions. And that's it. You've added Speechify to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and you know the key features to make the most of it. Enjoy listening to your content, and happy browsing.